been a while since I went for a jog. We're on vacation and I'm gonna try to get my jog in and check out Singer Island. I'm by this mall here. Let's see if they have a playground area. All right, I'm getting my jog here at Riviera Beach, which is basically Singer Island. Let's go. All right, look how big these lizards are here in Singer Island. Alright, today we're trying to get to the Lobster Fest with the kids, so we're going to see if we have a trolley stop at our hotel. We're at the Palm Beach Inlet. A lot of boats, a lot of traffic. And today, I guess it's low tide, nobody's jumping from this sand transfer plant. Alright, now the last time I came here, I'm going to show you guys, but people were jumping off there. And I don't know how much space they got on that ledge, but it doesn't look like too much. Alright, today we're here at Singer Island, and I'm still trying to get my jog in. Got to do 4 miles even on vacation, so get it. Motivation is something you either have or you don't have. Going back for this camera just for this video is my motivation. Look, that's probably the size of my hand that those people were working on. Oh, there's a crab right there. He moved. Oh, there he is, right underneath the rock. Is there a charge to get in? All right, today's the Lobster Festival. It's $10 for everyone, and kids under 3 is free. All right, see that cloud right there? You're better off picking up this bag to protect you from the rain.
It never rained.